Hi everyone, Paul here from Flying Colors Group, and it's my pleasure to announce that Flying Colors is promoting a painting giveaway contest from now until the end of November. And so, do you know somebody that would benefit from having a nice paint job performed? Do you know somebody that's financially challenged or has stressful circumstances? Do you know somebody that has lost a loved one or a spouse in the military? Do you know somebody that's overcoming an addiction and needs a fresh start? If you do, then hit the enter button below and nominate that individual today. We love helping our community in Ottawa. It gives us a chance to give back and to brighten somebody's day, both figuratively and literally. This helps us as well by allowing our crews and our production managers to come together and decide as a team, looking at the nominations, who the winner is going to be. So it's win-win on both ends. So hit the enter button below, and good luck to everybody.